Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Makai's World and Coastal Cousins Adventures. We just got back from a really cool trip to a really cool city. Actually, the city was ranked number 1 in the US in 2019. Can you guess what city that is? If you can guess what city that is from this preview that we're about to give you, go ahead and leave a comment down below if you know what city this is. All right, let's go. Welcome back. So, do you know what the number 1 city in the U.S. in 2019 by travel and leisure was? Well, if you know by just that scene that we just shot in the harbor, let us know down in the comments if you already know what place this is. And please don't forget to like and subscribe while you're down there. So you might have recognized the place that we were. It's called Safe Harbor Marina, and it's on the Ashley River. Anything? Okay, if you haven't figured it out yet, I'm gonna go ahead and give you 5 facts. Let's make this fun. I'll give you 5 facts about this city. This city is located in the southeastern United States. No, nothing yet? Okay, all right. Well, how about, like I said, you saw the water in the background. This place is located on a harbor. Anything? You got anything? Okay. You have a lot of options in the city to 1, get educated, and 2, get Jesus in your life, okay? Because there are 14 accredited universities in the city, all right? Another hint, and over 400 churches. They call us the Holy City. Anything yet? All right, so this city, for people that are looking to relocate, if you are looking to relocate, I know a good realtor, put that down in the description. Anyways, this place has around 230 days of sun per year. 230 sunny days per year. That's not a bad ratio. All right. So if you're looking for some happiness, some mellow winters, this is the city for you. Anything yet? Anything? Come on, guys. All right, let's go. Last one right here. Number 5 clue as to what city this is. Stephen Colbert, the Stephen Colbert, grew up here. All right, I bet you guessed it, right? Charleston, South Carolina. Charleston, South Carolina. Beautiful, beautiful city. Before we moved down to Costa Rica, my wife and I actually met in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We were both bartending at Hard Rock Cafe at the time, and I went to Coastal Carolina University right up the road. from Charleston, South Carolina. So every once in a while for a concert or whatever, we would go down to Charleston and check it out or just do whatever. And at that time, I mean, I was like, Charleston's a pretty cool city, you know? But as I grow up and grow older, and as Charleston grows up and grows a bit older, it's become just this really cool city that a lot of people are starting to appreciate. The foodies, there's amazing food there. I mean, southern food already is just ridiculous. Like, I promise you, I bought at least 10 racks of ribs within the 2 weeks or 3 weeks that we were there.
So I guess that's about 50 cents a rib, huh?
Yeah, about.
Okay, let me get one. I sure am hungry.
That's not good, but gotta work it off now. I'm back down in Costa. All right, get back in the water. But Charleston is a very, very beautiful place. That's Chi-Chi, our dog. He likes to bark at everything, so he's gonna be in the background. You might hear him, you might not, whatever. Anyways, Charleston is a pretty cool city. We ate a lot. We had an oyster roast. Had an oyster. We had an oyster. We had an oyster roast. We had an oyster roast. It was great. And like I said, it's really mellow winters. It's a very up and coming city. Real estate. We're actually looking at that area for real estate. And like I said, if you need a good realtor, we put it down in the description, the details for it. His name is Abasi Chapman. Check him out. All right. If you're looking at moving into the area, check him out. Check him out. In honor of this city, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my Jack and Taylors on the back of the neck. I don't know why, but that's a Charleston thing. So, and anyways, this is just the beginning of the videos from our trip to Charleston. We have a few here in the bag that we're going to release over these next few weeks. So definitely don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit the little notification bell, whichever side that is, so that you will know when these videos come out, all right? So do all that good stuff. We're going to look over your comments. Hopefully there's some comments down there. There might not be, whatever. Stay tuned for these next weeks and these next episodes of Makai's World and Costa Cousins Adventures. So, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time. Pura vida and peace. Check it out.